Welcome to Sapura Crest Petroleum Berhad, a member of the Sapura Group. Over the years, the core belief in our business is to integrate people with technology. Today, we have capabilities and competencies that cover more than 80% of the oil and gas value chain. We have managed to firmly establish ourselves as one of the largest homegrown integrated oil and gas service providers, both locally and internationally, evidenced by the strong growth recorded by the company. Our achievement during the past year was reflected in the successful completion of key projects and the number of contracts secured in the highly competitive oil and gas environment. We have achieved new heights by building success through strengthening our core businesses. A big part of our income came from ongoing contracts for offshore installation works, mainly from the 3-year Pan-Malaysia contract worth 1.5 billion ringgit annually and Gumusut Kakap field with a contract value of 2.68 billion ringgit. A significant achievement during the year was the 181 million ringgit Iwaki platform decommissioning project offshore Japan that had utilized the Sapura 3000. The group continues to be a leader in Malaysia's offshore oil and gas drilling business with 5 rigs under our wings, which are fully contracted out to the local and regional oil and gas industry. This was further strengthened with the renewal of the T6 contract worth 285 million ringgit. On the local front, we had completed the topside maintenance for ExxonMobil worth 186 million ringgit and is currently executing a 4-year contract for hookup, commissioning and maintenance services for Sarawak and Sabah Shell with an estimated contract value of 800 million ringgit. In Australia, we managed to secure several contracts amounting to approximately 151 million ringgit, mainly for the provision of ROV services. We have stamped our presence in the market as a provider of gas turbine services and have secured long-term contracts for the provision of maintenance services for General Electric gas turbines. Strengthening our asset base. Just as the Sapura 3000's already impressive track record was further enhanced by the 994 million ringgit combination of the Devil Creek development and Montara development projects in Australia. We were then embraced with the delivery of the LTS 3000, which was used in the Mumbai High North Field project, valued at 232 million ringgit. QP 2000, Technic Wira, 2 new ROVs, the Typhoon and Triton XLX, as well as the leading-edge Sapura Service Center facilities. Building capabilities. Attracting and retaining 2,800 qualified professionals and enhancing our capabilities in non-traditional services in the areas of deep water and platform decommissioning. Also, further improving capabilities through the transfer of technology through JV partners. Strategic international partnerships. This allows the group to set high standards of professionalism, strive to exceed expectations through our commitment to quality and continuous improvement to enhance the group's market position internationally. Regional reach. With footprints in 21 countries, from Sakhalin to Madagascar. 1.3 billion ringgit in overseas revenue was the contribution for this financial year, 15% higher than the previous year. A 95 million ringgit contract by PC Myanmar Hong Kong Limited in the Andaman Sea marks our entrance into Myanmar, a growing market. field development, production and operation. This year, we have received acknowledgement for our core competencies that will lead us towards new horizons. Through the many years of outstanding performance, our National Oil Corporation, Petronas, jointly awarded the Barantai Field Risk Service Contract as a validation of the group's experience, core expertise and capabilities. The Barantai project further presents us with a new platform for growth in the development and operations of oil fields, which would provide future revenue streams for the group. Sapura Crest today. Besides opening a new horizon for revenue and profit generation, it places us on a firm foundation to explore new opportunities within the oil and gas value chain. The group posted 3.2 billion ringgit in revenue this financial year, of which a registered profit of 374.5 million ringgit, combined with a strong order book of 8.5 billion ringgit. In pursuit of success for our organization, we strive to empower the potential of our talents, assets, technology and resources to always be at the forefront of the industry. Despite enhancing our bottom line, at Sapura, we have always believed in giving back to society. With Sapura Community, we continuously organize various activities that bring us closer together and to give us a chance to bond with the community. Participation in these activities draws from all levels of the organization. To further enhance our global reach, we are strengthening our fleet with 2 additional high-end dynamic positioning derrick lay barge. Embarking on the Barantai project to bring us to new heights and going beyond Asia-Pacific to the Americas, making Sapura a truly global integrated oil and gas service provider. Sapura Crest, towards new horizon.